Hey guys, how's it going? Pawinning here. Welcome back to the channel. It's awesome to have you guys here. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the triple diamond black tips onto my 2017 Honda Civic Si. So in the previous couple of videos, you guys have already seen me install the dual chrome tips on the Touring Edition exhaust system of this car. But to be honest, after seeing the exhaust tips installed on my friend's 2017 Honda Civic Type R, I really liked the look on his car and wanted to mimic the look onto my Si. So I have the triple diamond black tip conversion kit right in front of me. So I actually ended up having to order 2 more black exhaust tips and also 2 more exhaust clamps as well. Now this is the case because if you order just the conversion kit, the assumption is that you're only adding 1 more exhaust tip to the current setup that you have. But in my case, because I wanted to switch from dual chrome all the way to triple diamond black tips, the kit only comes with 1 exhaust tip. So that's why I had to order 2 more with the 2 exhaust clamps as well. So this installation is really easy. So we actually only need to loosen the exhaust clamp right there, and then we're gonna be able to remove the exhaust tips as well. So the whole thing is just gonna come out in one piece. Then I'm gonna reinstall the triple tip adapter using the old exhaust clamp. Maybe I'll add a little bit of anti-seize onto the threads. And the rest of the install is really easy. All I gotta do is reinstall the tips, align everything where I want to, and then we're back on the road. Now, before we actually install this adapter onto the car, I just wanted to note that in the Type R installation video, I actually installed this upside down. So I installed it just like this on the car. And if you guys didn't notice, it made the exhaust tips hang a little bit low when it sat in the rear bumper. The actual way you're supposed to mount this is this way. So you can see that it's aimed a little bit upwards that way instead of downwards like that. So just make sure you don't make that mistake, and I'll clarify that once I install this into my car. I kind of moved the center exhaust tip outwards just to kind of give a slight offset to the 3 exhaust tips, but love the way it sits right now. And of course, loving the way the exhaust system is broken in. So I don't know if I've mentioned this enough in the videos, but the nice thing about this Touring Edition exhaust system and basically the AWE exhaust suite for the 10th Gen Civic is that the complete systems are entirely reconfigurable, meaning that besides the exhaust tips, which you can choose between 2 colors and dual or triple tip options, you can also reconfigure the entire exhaust system as a whole, meaning that you can interchange parts between the track and the Touring Edition exhaust system. So that really makes for a versatile system that can cater to the needs of street enthusiasts and track enthusiasts, in my opinion. And it's really cool that this is consistent with a lot of the different exhaust systems they offer for a variety of cars in the market. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and also consider subscribing to the channel for more content. That being said, guys, my name is Pawinning, and I will catch you guys in the next video.